Now, let's move to Mersenne number and Mersenne prime. So, this is also known numbers in the number theory. So, it is also named after the French mathematician Marie Mersenne. And the Mersenne number is in the form of 2 raised to n minus 1, where n is a positive integer. So if you want to get the first Mersenne number, so we'll have n is equals to 1. So 2 raised to 1 minus 1, which will be 1. And then next will be 2. So 2 raised to 2, n is equals to 2. So 2 raised to 2 minus 1. So 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4 minus 1. Then you'll have 3. And then just do this for all numbers of n. So here we have 1, 3, 7, 15, 35, and 63. These are the first 6 Mersenne numbers. And in case the Mersenne numbers is a prime, then we call it a Mersenne prime. So here we have an example of the Mersenne prime numbers. So 3, 7, 31, and 127. And as you observe, these prime numbers has a pattern where if the 2 raised to n minus 1 is a prime, then we can also observe that n is a prime. And let's observe this one. So 2 raised to 2 minus 1 is 3, which is a prime number. And if you observe the n, which is the exponent of 2, is also a prime number. This is also true for the next Mersenne prime, which is 7. So 2 raised to 3 minus 1 is equals to 7. 7 is a prime number, and as you observe, 3 is also a prime number. So, and this is also true for the next prime number and next Mersenne prime. So that's how Mersenne prime works, and that's it for now. So thank you for watching.